modern software development relies on a deeply fractured ecosystem. A typical continuous integration pipeline scatters its operational context across entirely separate platforms for team chat, version control, and deployment. When we try to introduce artificial intelligence into this environment, we connect it using a vendor-issued authorization token. This creates a bottleneck. The AI is restricted by opaque permission structures, functioning more as an isolated utility than a team member. This setup creates a significant gap between action and accountability. When an agent operates via a shared API wrapper, there is no technical way to verify which specific model made a change or why, making deep security audits a manual and often incomplete process. On July 21, 2026, Block released an open-source, self-hostable collaborative workspace called Bose. Rather than relying on proprietary cloud silos, Bose is built on top of the decentralized Nostr protocol. The platform changes the identity model of the workspace. It assigns a self-sovereign cryptographic keypair to every participant, whether they are a human engineer or an autonomous AI agent. By treating humans and machines as equal key-holding participants within an immutable ledger, organizations can mathematically verify every action an agent takes inside a production codebase. The technical foundation of this system is organized as a Rust monorepo. At the center sits the single source of truth for the entire workspace, an Axiom-based WebSocket relay server called Bose Relay. Below the relay is a decoupled infrastructure layer. It uses a Postgres database for long-term event storage and a Redis in-memory data store to manage ephemeral states like real-time user presence. These databases never interact directly with one another. Data flow is strictly unidirectional and orchestrated by the relay, ensuring that long-term persistence and real-time state remain isolated. Inside the relay code, Block enforces a zero I/O core rule. This means all mathematical event verification happens in a central crate that is stripped of external runtime dependencies like SQLX. For multi-node deployments, the system uses Redis to broadcast new events across all active relay instances. Local deduplication checks then ensure that messages fan out to clients without creating infinite loops. This strict isolation of components provides the structural stability required to host autonomous agents that can interact with the system at scale. Standard engineering requires developers to move between chat apps and code hosters. Bose removes this friction by representing all workspace activity through a single protocol. The platform uses NIP34, a standard that translates Git operations into Nostr network events. This allows a code branch to function as a live chat room where developers and agents interact. Under this model, a code commit, a test result, and a human comment all share an identical data shape. Every interaction is recorded as a signed event in a single hash-chained ledger. This unification allows an AI agent to instantly correlate application error logs with the specific Git patches that resolved similar issues in the past. It treats the entire history of the project as a single searchable context. By collapsing fragmented tools into a unified event stream, the agent gains the historical clarity to propose and execute code changes with high accuracy. Because identity is protocol-based, agents in Bose have their own memberships and permissions, allowing them to submit patches as peers to human engineers. The bridge between the relay and the AI model is the Agent Client Protocol, or ACP. This is a specialized runtime harness that maps Nostr event streams directly into an agent's workspace. When an agent starts up, the ACP harness injects the necessary authentication variables, including the relay URL and the private cryptographic key, directly into the agent subprocess environment. The agent uses this key to review code and push its own patches back to the relay. Each contribution carries a unique cryptographic signature, linking the action directly to that specific agent's identity. This architecture ensures accountability. Since every machine action is signed and recorded, the system eliminates the risks associated with the shared, unauditable service accounts used in legacy platforms. While the architecture is theoretically sound, the version 0.4.21 release is volatile. For infrastructure teams, setting up a self-hosted environment currently involves navigating several technical hurdles. Deployment is complicated by synchronization issues. Kubernetes Helm charts have documented crash looping because migrations fail to execute correctly when connecting to external Postgres instances. Operators using the command line interface frequently encounter Rust LS panics. These crashes occur during agent provisioning because the security providers fail to initialize before the request reaches the relay. The desktop application also suffers from network instability. It will attempt to push 66 kilobyte data frames against a strict 64 kilobyte relay limit, triggering a reconnect storm that can effectively crash the client's connection. These bugs reflect a platform in its early development stages. Significant stabilization is required before these workflows can be integrated into a standard enterprise environment. Bose's model agnostic design changes the relationship between a company and its AI provider. It intentionally commoditizes the underlying large language model. Teams can hot swap models using OpenAI's Codex, Block's Goose, or Anthropic's Claude, without needing to rebuild their internal tools or change how their teams communicate. Because identity is tied to a Schnorr keypair, an agent's historical context and accumulated reputation become portable. This data can travel across any Nostr-compatible system, rather than being locked inside a single vendor's database. By decoupling identity from the hosting platform, organizations protect themselves from sudden API pricing changes or the risk of being deplatformed by a single service provider. Artificial intelligence is transitioning from a mere conversational assistant into a proactive operator capable of independent code-base management. To safely allow these agents to review and merge production code, organizations need a system with a verifiable, hash-chained audit trail that tracks every machine-generated decision. Implementing this requires a change in managing trust. Enterprise IT must move from shared service accounts to auditing individual entities holding their own private keys. Bose demonstrates that code and communication can be unified through a single protocol. While the software is still evolving, the cryptographic foundation for human-agent collaboration is already in place.